I am Iron Man. Well, I hope you guys are excited. I know I am. On a part that I got from Move Bumpers 17 and a half years ago. And I've made some videos about it, but I never really talked to anybody about it on YouTube. I never really showed it and never even put it together. And I feel bad. I feel bad to Move Bumpers. You guys have been freaking amazing. I'm actually gonna show you my Duramax, my 2001 Duramax with its Move Bumpers bumpers on it. There's the front one right there. It's a front Move bumper that I ended up getting and putting together. And this thing has held up stupid good. And then if we go to the back, we have the Move rear bumper here with the bulletproof hitch, obviously. I built this as well, and this thing has done amazing. Solid piece of metal here, guys. Really solid piece of metal. Very good quality. I really enjoyed putting this together as well as the front one too. But we have another product we're gonna put together for this truck. Let's go take a look at it. Ladies and gentlemen, the Move headache rack. A freaking headache rack. If you don't know what a headache rack is, it goes behind the rear window and protects, I'm assuming it protects the rear window from getting hit from stuff and breaking. But Move Bumpers actually offers a headache rack for the GMCs, the Dodges, I think the Fords as well, for a couple different trucks. I think they're all universal, but I don't know. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start slowly welding this thing together right here. Now, for the life of me, I cannot find the freaking instructions anywhere for this headache rack. I have no idea where they're at. I've lost them a while ago. They were in an envelope. They were up in the front of the shop somewhere, and like I said, I lost them. So I pulled everything out from the front of the shop, brought it back here to the back of the shop, put it on my transmission building table, and kind of put everything together in a sense of how I think it would be. This actually goes this way like that. Oh my God. Okay, we'll just do that. So that goes like that. So I am still trying to figure out where these go. I'm not really sure, to be honest. I think these get welded somewhere. I'm assuming maybe they get welded into here. I don't freaking know. I don't know where they get welded to, but that they attach to the truck here is where they attach. And oh, you know what? I think these go. I think this goes on the bottom here somewhere. I don't know where though. I don't know where, but I'm gonna figure it out. I know these go underneath to protect my bed, but we're gonna start basically welding together just this frame part. We have these pieces here that go in back, and if you get an idea of what these are gonna look like, these go in here kind of like on the back side. Remember, it's going to go on the back side of this headache rack, and I actually think it looks really cool. So we'll weld them in last. So let's break out the good old trusty MIG welder and start tacking this together. We're just going to tack it together to get a basic form and see what it looks like. Let's go grab our welder. Good old trusty welder here. Hello, welder. How have you been? It's been a hot minute. Here's your simple MIG welder here. We don't use this mask. We have a much better one. It's up here. It's a snappy one. It's a snappy one. We're gonna get that guy out too. All right, so the first thing I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all these pieces here, put them outside, and I'm gonna tack this main piece to this piece. So the nice thing is I can use this table because this table is pretty flat. I'm gonna turn it over and even out everything, and that's where I'll start to basically start tacking things together. And I could probably do the same with these side pieces as well, fit them all together and just do the whole thing right on the table here. So it should be pretty interesting. Should be pretty interesting. I am Iron Man. These are welded together pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Like these, Move Bumper does a good job. They're pretty spot on with their designs that they have. guys. We'll tack the arms together separately and then tack the whole unit up on there. So let's put this on the ground out of our way. We'll grab our main bottom piece here. I hope I'm doing this right. I don't know. I touched the weld right there. Forgot that's still hot. Here's my middle, guys. Here's my middle. Whoo, doggy. So, that's not too shabby. I'm hoping I didn't mess it up. All right, sorry for the darkness. Oh my God, almost died. Yes! Our main piece sits in the middle here. We're just gonna lean it up against the window. I smell something burning. Something's definitely on fire. As long as it's nothing in the shop, I'm happy. That's the end down now, guys. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should put it on the floor. It's not the most flattest surface, but that's what they make grinders for. That's gonna work, guys. That's gonna work. Oh yeah. Now, like I said, there's going to be some flexing. We're going to have some flexing going on, which is fine. This is going to stop the flexing right there. Look at that. Perfect. 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 That's going to bring it all together. It's going to bring it all together, guys, right there. We still got a lot of welding to do. We still got a lot to do, which ain't going to be done in this video, unfortunately. I know you guys want to see the footage, and you guys are like, no, Andy, keep making footage. But this is the basic design, and this took me long enough already. The truck's not really ready for it anyways, so that's okay. We got the basic layout, and then what we're going to end up doing is we'll end up putting the bottom pieces in. I definitely want to size it back on the truck. Actually, you know what? Let's just size it on the truck right now, guys. What are you waiting for, right? Why even wait? Let's just do it. I know the light's not really good, but just got to suck it up, buttercups. Guys, you got to see this. Hopefully you got, there we go. Now you guys can see it. Fitment on this is really nice. Really, really nice. You know what? Let's pull the truck outside. Look at that, guys. Tell me that doesn't look freaking sick. It fits so nice. Like, I welded this thing up on the freaking floor, guys. On the freaking floor. We're gonna get off the truck and look at the side profiles here. I didn't think it was gonna turn out this nice. Look at that. Look at that side profile view. That's gonna be a nice headache rack. That thing looks freaking sweet. That thing looks sweet. And basically what I'm gonna do is the box, until I get an in the bed box, because I want to get an in the bed box to fit right inside the bed. I'll use this box and I'll put it right up against here once it's all said and done. But this thing fits so clean, guys. Oh my God, wait till we finish it. Once we finish it, it's gonna look even better. Look at that. Let's go on the other side here. Consider this part one of 2 or 3 videos, guys. Oh, the sun's in our eyes. Look at that. It's gonna take some welding. We got a lot of welding to do, but it fits. That's literally welding it up on the floor. I welded this on the floor, guys. Oh my God. Look at that. That is awesome. That is freaking awesome, guys. I hope you guys are freaking excited as all get out. Did I just tap myself? Oh, I hope you guys are excited as all get out to see the finished product of this, because just seeing the rawness of it right now, It looks freaking amazing, guys. I was expecting to run into some fitment issues. I was expecting to run into issues of it not fitting right on the truck. But I mean, look at that. Oh my God. Let's get this out of the way here. Let's get this tripod out of the way. Look at that, guys. Me welding that thing up on the floor, and that's what it looks like. That's freaking amazing. That is amazing. If it's gonna look anything as good as these bumpers do from Move, I'm telling you right now, guys, you guys are gonna be freaking impressed. You guys are gonna be stupidly impressed if it looks anything as good as these bumpers did. I will say these guys make a hell of a product, and I will also say that whatever you buy from them, I promise you 100%, it's gonna fit freaking good. It's gonna fit freaking good. You're not gonna have issues with it. It's gonna go together freaking. I'm amazed by how well this went together. But there you go, guys. A little part of us building the headache rack. We've got 4 more pieces to go, and then we're gonna be fully welding it together, 110%. And then we're gonna end up painting it. We're gonna grind down all the welds just like we did for the bumpers. We're gonna paint it same as the bumpers and install it. It's gonna be freaking wild. The only thing I have a question about, which I'm gonna have to look into, is how to do the brackets and these plates right here. That's it. But I'm not even concerned about that. But man, guys, freaking looks nice. Looks freaking nice. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, put it on all. And if you want to see more Move bumper content like this and me finishing this, subscribe to the channel and look out for the next videos of me finishing this up, because it's going to take 1 or 2 videos to get the final product, 1, 2, 3 videos to get the final product on the Dirty Max of what this thing is going to look like. So I'm freaking stoked, guys. I am stoked. Oh. All right, guys, I'm out. Deuces.